Phil has been working in a youth club in Moulivang since 1998. He can see how the area has developed.
But I think the area gets much better, and we can feel it in the club because we get more better supported kids from home with more love and attention and all this. And this spreading out. Before we have a big group of kids who have problems. Now we have a little like a mix. And this little equalizing each other.
At the club he plays table tennis, teaches music, and he also fixes bikes.
I'm fixing bikes, like this, like the bike we have here. And actually this is one of the kids' sisters. This is a little problem for me because they don't pay to get the bike fixed, okay? Because it's about to be in the club. But like this is a guy's sister. So they start to bring the sister and the cousins and the whole family's fucking bicycles, you know. So yeah, but this is a little part of this. They don't pay for it, and normally I fix it myself, but sometimes if they really want, I learn them this. People in this area, it's like a big family. Some even them is really in family, you know, spreading around, you know. So I see Moulivang is a little like a small community.
The most important thing is that the kids having a good time there.
I always said to myself about the business is I want the kids to come and have fun. I want to give them fun. I don't want to change their life or help or save them from their life and from the world and from the parents' school and whatever. I just want to give them time maybe where they forget a little about the crap or shit if they are like this and hang out and have a smile.